let's discuss the chain rule. We have the formula of derivative of x raised to n is equals to n times x raised to n minus 1 times the derivative of x. So, for example of that, we have the f of x is equals to 5x plus 4 over 3. To solve that, follow the rule. Derivative of f of x is equal to, sabi, yung n na ito, copy natin from n dito sa taas. So, n natin dito is the 3. Copy the 3 times the kokopyan lang tong x natin. Magiging itong x natin nasa loob ng parenthesis 5x plus 4. So, since sabi nga n minus 1, gagawin natin dito is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Sabi, meron pang times the derivative naman ng x. Ang derivative natin is 5. Yung x natin is 5x plus 4. So, to get the derivative of that, in constant rule or consecutive rule, 5x ay sa power rule, may 1 dito. 1 times 5 equals to 5. Since 0 na yung power ni x, since 1 minus 1 equals to 0, natanggal siya. Plus 4. Ang 4 natin is constant. So, sabi sa constant rule natin, all constants is to become to 0. So, hindi na siya ilagay. Natira na is 5. To solve that, derivative of f of x is 2. Ang ipagkatimes natin dyan is, ang nasa labas, 3 times 5. Since sila yung like terms, 5 times 3 is equals to 15. Copy the x, 5x plus 4, and the power rule. This is how to solve the chain rule. Magiging f of derivative of x equals to 15 times 5x plus 4 squared.